In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link GitHub commits to Jira issues. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive right in. Connecting your GitHub and Jira accounts is a fantastic way to ensure your development work and project tracking remain in perfect sync. This process not only makes managing your projects easier, but also boosts collaboration among your team. To get started, you'll first want to open Jira using your current GitHub repository account. Once you're logged into Jira, you'll need to navigate to the App section. This is crucial because the integration you're looking for is available as an app within Jira. So go ahead and click on the Apps option in the menu. After that, look for something that says Explore More Apps. This will take you to an app marketplace where you can discover various integrations. Now, here comes the exciting part. In the app search bar, type in GitHub for Atlassian. This is the integration we're interested in, and it will allow your GitHub commits to link directly with your Jira issues. So once you've done that, you should see an entry for GitHub for Atlassian. When you find it, go ahead and click on it. From there, you can easily install the app. The installation process is generally straightforward, and if you follow the on-screen instructions, you should be done in no time. Once the app has been installed, you'll want to verify your account. This step is essential because it ensures that your GitHub and Jira accounts are properly linked. Verification typically involves logging into your GitHub account and granting the necessary permissions so Jira can access your repositories. That's it. With just a few simple steps, you've successfully set up the integration. Now, anytime you commit changes in GitHub, you can link those commits to specific issues in Jira. This means you can track the progress of your work more effectively and refer back to it whenever necessary. It's a tremendous advantage for any development team looking to streamline their workflow. You'll want to go ahead and put your issues into that app. When you do, it makes it much easier to tie specific code changes to particular tasks or bugs, allowing everyone on the team to stay updated on the status of ongoing work. This linking not only saves time, but it also helps in maintaining transparency within your team. So if someone on your team looks at an issue in Jira, they can directly see which commits are related and vice versa. To wrap it up, linking GitHub commits to Jira issues is an efficient way to boost collaboration and productivity within your development process. By following these simple steps, you can make sure that your team's efforts are well documented and easily accessible as you move forward with your projects. Thank you for watching today's video, and I hope you find this information helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to stay